Ngayon, try natin yung mag-compute ng area of the circle. So, let's start. So, nagtatanong yung ano natin, LCD, kung ano yung radius ng circle. So, try natin yung 2.5. Radius is 2.5. So, the area of the circle is 19.62. So, next, try natin ulit yung 3. Ang radius natin is 3. So, radius is 3. So, area of the circle is 28.26. So, try na naman natin ng radius is 5.5. 5.5. Radius is 5.5. Then, area of the circle is 94.98. So, try na naman natin ulit ng radius natin is 3.6. 3.6. Okay. Radius is 3.6. Then, the area of the circle is 40.69. Okay, that's all.